angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Here same segment means the same arc. Angles in the same arc are also equal. Means, listen, a theorem. A circle is given with center O. With center O. ACB, angle ACB is the angle subtended by the arc AB, where? On the circle, on the circle, not at the center, on the circle. Okay, on the circle. Angle subtended by the arc AB, where? On the circle. And draw one more angle. ADB. ADB is also angle subtended by arc AB, where? On the circle. On the circle. So ACB and ADB both are angles subtended by arc AB on the circle. That is, both have same segment, AB. Both have same segment. So these two are the angles in the same segment. These two are the angles in the same segment. So first write down the given. A circle with center O. Such that angle ACB and angle ADB are the angles subtended by the arc AB on the circle. On the circle. So these two are the angles in the same segment. Angle ACB and angle ADB. What is the segment here? AB. AB is the segment. So both have same segment, AB. Both have same segment. Here you want to prove these two angles are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So to prove angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. To prove angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. Now construction. Join OA and OB. Construction है join OA and OB. Join OA and OB. Construction है join OA and OB. Proof. Listen. Proof, listen. ये clear सबको? Means here two angles given है, angle ACB and angle ADB. Both are subtended by, both are the angles subtended by the arc AB on the circle. On the circle. And you have to prove these two angles are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. That you want to prove. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Listen. First listen. AOB is the angle subtended by arc AB at the center. ACB, angle subtended by the arc AB on the circle outside the arc. On the circle outside the arc. So we can apply the theorem. Which theorem? That is angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circle outside the arc. Right on. Angle AOB is equal to 2 angle ACB. Write on that theorem. Angle subtended by the arc at the center at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circle outside the arc. Outside the arc. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Again listen. AOB is the angle subtended by arc AB at the center. Now listen. ADB, angle subtended by the arc, same arc. Where? Outside the circle. Outside the arc. Outside the arc. Again we can apply the same theorem. Right on. Angle AOB equal to 2 angle ADB. Equation 2. Same theorem. Same as above. Clear? Same theorem we can apply. Same. That's clear? Now listen. This is angle AOB. It is also angle AOB. So from equation 1 and 2 we can say these two are equal. 2 angle ACB equal to 2 angle ADB. That's all. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, 2 angle ACB equal to 2 angle ADB. 2 angle ACB is equal to 2 angle ADB. 2 cancel. Angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Hence proved. Steps clear? So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Clear? Theorem clear? Any doubt? Clear? Now listen. Listen. A circle is given. Okay. A circle is given. Now, A, B, C and D are the 4 points on the circle. Not outside, not inside, on the circle. What are the 4 points here on the circle? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are the points on the circle. Are the points on the circle. On the circle. On the circle. Now we can join these points with the help of a straight line. So join these points AB, BC, CD and DA. What is the name of this figure? It is quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. And a four-sided figure is called? Four-sided closely figure is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. But all the vertices of this quadrilateral lie on the circle. Lie on the circle. Such a quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. Is called cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on a circle, then the quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, all the vertices of that quadrilateral lie on the circle. On the circle. Here, all the vertices of this quadrilateral lie on the circle. So we can say this is a cyclic. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, that's the next theorem. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. कोई भी इन दोनों का sum भी 180 degree है. Angle B plus angle D also 180 degree. Means sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. And what is cyclic quadrilateral? Clear? What is cyclic quadrilateral? If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on a circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Is called cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. That is the next theorem. Write down the next theorem. So first draw a cyclic quadrilateral. How to draw cyclic quadrilateral? In a quadrilateral, what is cyclic quadrilateral? In a cyclic quadrilateral, all the vertices lie on the circle. If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on a circle, then it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. If all the vertices of a quadrilateral lie on a circle is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So draw a cyclic quadrilateral. A circle. A, B, C, D, and O is the center. O is the center. Okay. So given a circle with center O. Next, A, B, C and D of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now vertices. Let's see the vertices A, B, C and D of a quadrilateral ABCD lie on the circle. On the circle. A circle with center of vertices A, B, C and D of a quadrilateral ABCD lie on the circle. To prove, क्या prove करना हमको? Angle A plus angle C 180 degree. That is angle BAD. Right, पूरा लिख देना. To prove angle BAD plus means this angle plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, 180 degree. और कंस्ट्रक्शन है, कंस्ट्रक्शन लिख दो. Join OB and OD. Join OB and OD. Construction. Join OB and OD. OB and OD. Join OB and OD. Construction. Now proof. Listen. 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 BOD is the angle subtended by arc BCD where at the center and BAD is the angle subtended by the same arc, that is BCD, where on the circle. So we can apply the theorem. Which theorem? The angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circle outside the arc. So apply that theorem here. That is angle BOD is equal to 2 angle BAD. Write in bracket theorem. Angle subtended by the arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circle outside the arc. Equation 1. Okay, equation 1. Clear? Next listen, sab log. Listen. This is also angle subtended by the arc. Which arc? This angle is the angle subtended by BAD. देखो ये एंगल है तो इसका ऑपोजिट आर्क ये है ना. देखो ये एंगल है तो इसका ऑपोजिट आर्क कौन सा? BC. देखो ये एंगल आउट. देखो this angle BOD that is formed by OB and OD. So end point, one point is B, other point is D. तो आर्क ये. Same way, this angle that is formed by B OB and OD. OB and OD. So this is the arc. This is the arc. ये which angle है? Central angle. और ये एंगल कौन सा है? सेम आर्क है, देखो ये सेम आर्क है ना, ये वाला एंगल भी देखो ना, एक ही पॉइंट इधर है, एक पॉइंट इधर है, तो सेम आर्क आ रहे हैं इधर, BAD है ना, BAD. Again we can apply the theorem. Again we can apply the theorem. So write down angle. This angle is called reflex angle. इसका reflex angle है. This is called reflex angle. Write down reflex angle BOD is equal to 2 angle BCD. 2 angle BCD. Same theorem. Same theorem. Equation 2. Equation 2. तो क्लियर है सबको? फर्स्ट इस साइड में अप्लाई किया, इसमें इस साइड में अप्लाई किया, क्लियर है? ठीक है. अगर मैं देखो ये एंगल है, उसका आर्क कौन सा है? BAD. द सेम आर्क अनदर एंगल BCD है ना, BCD. देखो आर्क ये है, BCD का आर्क भी यही है ना, देखो ये एंगल इससे रिलेटेड है, क्लियर है? क्लियर? ठीक है. सो वी कैन अप्लाई द थ्योरम. अब देखो ये एंगल है और दिस एंगल है, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल BOD एंड एंगल BOD का सम कितना होगा? 360. रीजन कंप्लीट एंगल, कंप्लीट एंगल. सो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल BOD प्लस एंगल BOD है ना, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल BOD प्लस एंगल BOD इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. रीजन कंप्लीट एंगल, कंप्लीट एंगल हमेशा कितना होता है? 360 डिग्री. कंप्लीट एंगल इज ऑलवेज 360 डिग्री है ना, कंप्लीट एंगल 360 degree. Now, what is the value of reflex angle BOD? 2 angle BCD plus what is BOD? Angle BOD 2 angle BAD equal to 360 degree. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From this 2, which is common? 2. Take 2 common. Angle BCD plus angle BAD equal to 360 degree. Shift to this side. Angle BCD plus angle BAD equal to 360 divided by 2. So angle BCD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. Hence prove. ये prove करना आपको. Angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. Clear है? So, in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Clear? Now, NCERT, page number 114, end of chapter exercise, question number 7. This is question number 7, end of chapter exercise. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. ठीक है, inscribed in a circle, circle के अंदर है, ठीक है, inscribed in a circle. If angle A measure 75 degree, 75 degree, what is the measure of angle C? Samira, what is the answer of this question? Angle A 75 degree and this is a cyclic quadrilateral is given. What is the measure of angle C? (105). 105. Why? Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Sum of the two angles is 180 degree. Same way, angle B 110 degree. What is the measure of angle D? 70 degree. 70 degree because sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. So draw the figure. A quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral is given. A, B, C, D. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. And what is the value of angle A? What is the value of angle A? 75. Plus angle C, 180. What is angle C? 180 minus 75. Angle C is equal to 105 degree. Same way, sum of other two opposite angles also 180 degree. That is angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Same reason. Same reason. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. What is the value of angle B? 110 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Angle D equal to 180 minus 110. Angle D is equal to 70 degree. Angle D is equal to 70 degree. You have to find the measure of angle C and angle D. Angle C equal to 105 and angle D is equal to 70 degree. 70 degree. Clear? Steps clear? Next, same. Question number 8. NCERT. Question number 8. End of chapter exercise. Question number 8. Quadrilateral PQRS is inscribed in a circle. If angle P is equal to 2x plus 10 degree and angle R is equal to 3x minus 20 degree, find the value of x and measure of angle P and angle R. What is the sum of angle P and angle R here? 180 degree. Why? Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is? So first write down. Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree. Write in bracket the theorem. Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. Sorry, angle R, not a Q. Angle R. Angle P or angle Q are not opposite angles. है ना? देख सकते हो? Draw a quadrilateral. Right in order. P, Q, R, S. Here, which two angles are opposite angles? P and R. Not P and Q. P and Q are adjacent angles, not opposite angles. P and R are the opposite angles. Q and S are the opposite angles. Now substitute the value. What is the value of angle P? 2x plus 10 degree plus 3x minus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. What is 2x plus 3x? 5x. 10 degree minus 20 degree. Minus 10 degree equal to 180 degree. Clear? 180 degree. Minus 10 degree shift right hand side. So it becomes 5x is equal to 190 degree. Minus shift this right hand side. It becomes plus. So my 180 plus 10. That is 190 degree. What is x? 190 degree divided by 5. 3 5 are 15 है ना, और 40 में 8, 38 degree. So x equal to 30 degree. 38 degree. X is equal to 38 degree. Next you have to find the value of P and Q. Sorry, R. Sorry, angle P and angle R. What is angle P? 2x minus, sorry, plus 10. 2 into, what is x? 38 plus 10. 76 plus 10. So what is angle P? 86 degree. Now find the value of angle Q. Angle R. Angle R. Find the value of angle R, not Q. Angle R. 3x minus 20. 3 into 38 minus 20. 114 minus 20. Angle R is equal to 94 degree. So what is the value of angle R? 94 degree. 94 degree. Concept clear करने के लिए, which are the opposite angles? ना, to check the opposite angles. Angle P and angle R are the opposite angle. Angle Q and angle S are the opposite angle. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Next. Next theorem here. Next question. End of chapter exercise page number 115. Question number 14. 14. Question number 14. 115. Page number 115. Question number 14th. 14. Show that rectangle is the only parallelogram that can be inscribed in a circle. Rectangle is the only parallelogram that can be inscribed in a circle. Means a circle is given and inside that circle a parallelogram given. You want to prove that parallelogram is a rectangle. How to prove a parallelogram is a rectangle? How to prove a parallelogram is a rectangle? Means in a parallelogram, any one angle is 90 degree. No need to prove all the angles. You have to prove only one angle. In a parallelogram, if one angle is 90 degree, it is a rectangle. In a parallelogram, one angle is 90 degree, it is a rectangle. So first draw a circle. And draw a parallelogram inside the circle. A, B, C, D. Given. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में पैरेललोग्राम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? To prove ABCD is a rectangle. एक काम कर दो, गिवन में लिख दो ABCD is a parallelogram inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in a circle. पूरा पूरा लिख देना. Inscribed in a circle. But to prove ABCD is a rectangle. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. Listen. Listen. Very simple. Proof. ABCD is a parallelogram. What are properties of a parallelogram? What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That property you want to apply here. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle A and angle C are equal. Means angle C is equal to angle A. Reason, opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle C is equal to angle A. Angle C is equal to angle A. Now listen. A, B, C, D lie on a circle. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a, I don't know, A comma B comma C and D lie on a circle. Therefore, A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of the opposite angle is the angle A plus angle C. 180 degree implies angle A plus angle C is equal to reason sum of opposite angles of is cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. And what is the value of angle C from the equation 1? This is equation 1. What is the value of angle C? Angle A. So we can replace the value of angle C. That's all. Angle A plus angle A equal to 180 degree from equation 1. From equation 1. Angle A plus angle A. Angle A plus angle A. So 2 angle A equal to, what is angle A? That is, in a parallelogram, one angle is 90 degree. Not in a quadrilateral. In a parallelogram, one angle is 90 degree. Then it is rectangle. So, you look at the last one statement. That is, in a parallelogram, ABCD, angle A equal to 90 degree. Then ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Hence proved.